So let's say I want to change the header. So I'll go ahead and delete this. It's fine. Add a panel, go to header. Got the header up. Want to choose this one. Okay, I'm happy with that. Next, what I want to do is, done with the header, go for this one. Go ahead and choose this. This is the one for the one on top of the website, or the heading. So I want to delete this. I don't think I want it. Yeah, so I'm happy with that. For this one, take advantage of our experience on business management. Good heading. I just want to change something, and it would be this one. Instead of business, real estate management, just to be more specific. Save it. Boom, done. This for the subheadline, I'll go ahead and just use this one, which is from a content from a website I built. So copy, just paste it. It's there. Now what I want to do is put it on the center, and I want to change the color to that. Save it. Done. So for the button, you can link it to another website, another page on the website you're making, or I am making right now, to a video, YouTube or so, or Loom, pop-up, and anchor. For this one, your logo, your slogan, I don't want it there, so I'll go ahead and delete them. Fine. Okay, we're good to go. So we have the header, we have the top of our website. Next, let's see what other content we can put on our website. So basically all the contents are here. All you have to do is browse through it and choose it, and then just do some editing to for the specific content or specific information you want on the content. Let's say, for example, just like with what I did on this one, take advantage of our experience on business management. It was earlier, but I changed it specifically to my business, which is real estate. So let's look for another panel here. So we got features. Yeah, let's check the features. About this one. So panels created, it says here. Okay. So real estate, would change this to buy. Save it. Double click on it. So just like how you do it on Microsoft Word, just the same editing when you edit a text, just the same thing. Buy, sell, and lease. It's done. This one I want to change this to services. I put an underline on it if I want to. Alright, but I won't. Want to bold it, italic. So there, yes, I would love to have it on bold. But this one, let's go ahead and check. Okay, so I'm fine with everything on top. So buy, sell, lease. I'm happy with that. So again, the content I'm getting is from my own website. So let's see what we can find here. Let's see what other content I can get from here. So buy, sell, and lease. services. I don't think I need a sub headline for this, so I'll go ahead and delete that. Okay. For the image, again, see our options here. Layering, this is if you want it on top of something or underneath something. Personal panel element. Animation, style, general settings, image. So let's say, for example, I want to change an image. Now, just to expose another legit platform where you can get images from, let's go to unsplash.com. So this is just one of those websites wherein you can get photos that do not have a copyright. You can download it and use it for your content, as your content rather. So let's say you can either search here on top or here. So in my case, for this video, it's real estate. If you learned anything from this video, give it a like. And if you think this would help other people, please do share it. And if you want to learn more, just subscribe and click on the bell beside the subscribe button so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. If you have any questions, just comment below or message me on my Facebook page and I'll either answer it for you or even make a video out of it so we can share the knowledge to everybody. Just like that, this video is over and I'll see you on the next one. Let's go!